Hey guys, Taylor here. Today I'm super excited because I want to talk about something that I've been doing for quite some time now, and it's literally game changing if you have very little time in the morning to do waves or curls in your hair, but you really like a wavy, voluminous look. So I'm going to take you through my 3 steps of how to do heatless curls. First step is make sure you're using the right type of shampoo and conditioner in your hair. So as you can see, my favorite, my all-time go-to forever now is the Olaplex, the shampoo and conditioner. I'm telling you guys, this will transform your hair, especially if you find that your hair has a hard time holding a curl or your hair is frizzy. I'm telling you, you start using this, it's going to be game changing. Styling really requires a good base to start with, or else your style just goes to crap, especially with a heatless style like this. So step 1 is wash the hair with Olaplex shampoo and conditioner to give you a good starting point to make your hair as stylable as possible, so that it will actually take those curls when you go to curl it out.